My name is Rebecca Young. I'm a freshman studying human health sciences, and I'm a student ambassador at CILP with Launch Blue. So coming to University of Kentucky as a freshman, I didn't know anything about the university, and I wasn't even sure if college was worth it, so I kind of just entered the space without knowing anything. But I'm really eager to have a place that I can grow myself in different areas where I can maximize my potential, but I really struggle to find a place on campus that can really do that. I was surprised by the idea that my ideas matter in this program and that my supervisors were inspiring me to have new ideas and how to make them into reality. So overall, I was surprised by the fact that I actually matter in this program and that I can really make a difference. One of the real-world problems that we're trying to address is to find the connection of our program with the rest of the community, which includes the University of Kentucky itself and also the community outside of college. And I think that's super important because in this program, we want to find the connection between innovation and community, and I think we did a great job on that and also know how to use student ambassadors in order to achieve that. Your support for Launch Blue will allow students like me to change my own future, and we will also allow students to change the world's future.
Support Launch Blue!